Hello and welcome to Bad Kissingen in northern Bavaria. This is Abenteuer und Allrad, the largest off-road trade fair in the world apparently, and this is a Gazelle, comes from Behl Mobile of near Würzburg, on a Mercedes here, and a rather small camping unit, but that's what it looks like. But hey, they'll be easy to park, so let's look at the positive signs. Let's have a look inside. So this unit here is independent of the front, which means you're not going to get in and out directly. So it's a very small living area, of course, but what it's got, the bed will pull out. It's insulated all the way round. It's got here a tiny, oh no, well, at least it's not that tiny. I mean, it's a reasonable size kitchen, I suppose. You may have noticed there was a solar panel on the roof. We've got a small two-way fridge here. It's got heating. It's got a 60-litre freshwater tank. Here is the seating group. There's also a table for it as well, and the toilet is down there. Now, effectively, something like this has got the footprint of a car, so it should be relatively easy to park. Webasto heating, and this is for you can measure how you can see how much power you've got in the batteries. We've got storage here as well, and storage there. So it's a small unit, but it's quite quite cozy. So good. I shall walk out. Oh, I can see you can also make a shower here, but that might be difficult. So that's a very quick look at this vehicle, and there are of course lots of other interesting vehicles here at Bad Kissingen, which you can see in other videos. So thanks very much for watching. I shall leave you at that view, and having done this rather quick overview of this vehicle. All the best from Germany.